Hey coaches, just wanted to do a quick tutorial here on navigating around the site. So we're going to have a couple options here. We've got settings. The main two places that you're going to spend your time are in the profile and the manage account section. So I'm on the profile page right now. That's mainly just your user settings. They're very basic, and then this members section will display the accounts you're part of. So this app is flexible for individual coaches coaching one team, individual coaches that are a part of multiple teams or organizations that want to share their plays and drills, playbooks, practice plans across multiple teams with multiple coaches. It's pretty flexible, and so this section will show you if you are a part of other organizations. But for those individual coaches, it's just going to be pretty basic. You'll be on your own account. And then manage account is sort of where if you do have multiple coaches on a team or organizations that span across multiple teams, this is where they'll be doing managing that aspect of things. My user right now is very simple. I'll do another tutorial on organizational management and how that works. But this is basically where you'll manage your billing. Other than that, this app breaks into two different parts basically. So you have your personal plays, drills, playbooks, practice plans, and this is your users' data. So no one else is going to be able to see this section. This is your data. You can build plays and drills. You can build playbooks, practice plans there, and your team won't be able to see it. No one else will be able to see it. And it kind of allows you to carry your own content around to different organizations if you want, if that suits your needs. If you're just an individual coach using this app, you could keep everything in your personal section. You're really not gonna tell the difference. And then there is the team section for your plays, drills, playbooks, practice schedules. The only difference here is that it also supports section for scouting reports and scouting diagrams, so it just keeps your content separated for the team. And if you're, have a match coming up and you want to build a report that breaks down the other team, you can do that in the scouting diagrams, scouting reports section. The other difference with the team section is that if you are a part of an organization or you have multiple coaches on one team, then everyone will be able to share and see that content in the team section. And you can transfer your content over to the team if you want. If you bring a coach in, they have a bunch of content, they could transfer it into the team, and then the team can kind of share ideas and diagrams that way. So that's the team section, and it will always correlate with the currently selected team, which you can see up here. If you are a part of multiple teams, then this will turn into a drop down where you could switch between teams, and that will update the view of the team content there. Other than that, the other piece of this app is the community plays and drills. So these are plays and drills that people who have been building content have marked are okay to be shared publicly across all the users, and you can copy those into your team or your personal library to kind of build up content and use the site as a shared repository of plays and drills. The other navigation option is switching between sports. So we support a couple sports right now. We'll be adding more sports as time goes on, but that navigation is up here next to the team navigation. And again, since I'm only on my own team, I'm only on one team so far, it's not a navigation. But if I was on two teams, I would see a navigation that I could select the other teams I'm on. Okay, well that's it for the navigation tutorial.